Running nose and nose blockage doesn't necessarily means that you may be having flu. These may be quite similar symptoms which you face when you have got allergies called allergic rhinitis. Allergic rhinitis is basically a hypersensitive reaction towards all those things which we call as allergens. They are usually pollen dust, house dust, pet danders, and molds. The usual symptoms, as we all know, of allergic rhinitis is same as common cold, except for that allergic patients don't suffer from body pains or fever. If you have any of these symptoms, please don't hesitate to seek a medical advice, especially from ear, nose, throat specialist. I am Dr. Shamim Qaisar, an ear, nose, throat specialist practicing at New Lotus Medical Center, Qusais, Dubai.